I Nesorenim. Aloha tiro feiro. Well, kisu tapur and have fidigits. See how the bar was it first. Fairy Teraji 2025 election. Congratulations, Giri Chuuk State. But rapper jod utut noriyer. Ever ngawi kura kera post fosse also kosukur neri utut tarropor utut is no we toga wal list gavet kan nge siate kupa papavi tomong sarre utut noriyer city narawe 2021 si subsidy ka pokitel may tomong charu puti nor year ra 18 nori year ra togri fotika chak tomong chat ra tit nori year ka a kor improve raga nut skeleru wis nor at election office ka nge sa chak fukupa por me new city a new city 2021 number pusasire Arabasachuk ir may participate not elections. Sagura Kiosasig na Portland may parekat for Guam Tomokchor 58 nor a year. Yeah, Ubupatsek Tigor by elections happen every 4 years. Esabat Eureka culture, siatap tiri seri Western culture. Ira pukidet sisabu kiki pur ots utut ebatai nefirats geri hatsmuitiga aravasiga fabiriga. Gera sipatseveri elections may happen every 4 years. Life goes on. Awet America ever Trump president or year. In 4 years, saparit apaurutut sefet. Aposokura. We just have to live our lives. Yeah. Ika sisitipio gerivet arever needs. Ika ekra candidate rese Ferica arangang may America. You kiss with already communicate. Force sire puro woputier Kseutarika with already for year. But yeah, I want us to have high expectations of our leaders. It's politics, so let's take all the good things and celebrate that as families, okay. If your candidate, didn't make it this year, it doesn't mean that's the end of the world, right? It just means that, okay, we're not going to be doing the works for the government, but there are other things that we can do as, normal citizens. Yeah. Kisutapur. Obviously, all the numbers we put on here is not the official, and it's not the final. It's probably close enough to give us an idea, but don't bet your life on it, okay? Kisutapur ngirirutskio charanga ngirbe at election office. A private citizen sirbi parfur count, collecting data and whatnot, so we can provide you with the numbers. But it's not the official. So please remember, it's not the official count. So take what you can, and but don't think that okay, this is 100% accurate or this is 100% the final or whatever until we get the final from our election office in the state of Chuuk. Um, I know there's I have my state of Yap. Most of you OCCD is up Chuuk Yap. We also have elections in Yap. I know some of my Yappies probably wondering why this guy is doing Chuuk State but not posting about Yap. But it's not that I don't think about my Yap state, but I think our numbers are very easy to understand, and you can just click and you know who's gonna win, right? Because our population is smaller. So I respect you all, but it's more fascinating and more interesting to me to look at our sister state Chuuk, and to understand the political happenings there. At least it's more fascinating to me, and that's why I try to figure out, look at different data, and then try to put out what's good and what's not. All right, so para uso sifet but kiso aloha normetot wisit ika kamerale normetot wisit right? Drive with kamerale, live with kamerale, work with kamerale, just like they say in Hawaii, right? Drive with aloha, all right? Drink with aloha, all right? So do it that way and everything will be fine. One last thing I want to share for my viewers. Have you seen the stock market lately? It's been crazy, guys. I know I jumped, or I took out my wife's 401k before this new administration. It's not much, but I think it was the correct time to pull it out. Yeah. So if you're young, hang in there, guys. Hang in there. If you're almost to retirement, it's kind of complicated. If you're retiring in the next 4 years, a very complicated situation out there. But yeah, I was going to go buy a truck this morning. I texted the salesman and I said, "Sorry, guy, no more truck. We're gonna put it on hold." But my mind, I really wanted my truck because I wanted to be able to pull my boat out the water in Hilo. Anyways, that's the little piece of info for you guys to take and use. If you're young, please hang in there. Don't rush to take your 401k out or do anything stupid. Just hang in there. All right. Hopefully these 4 years will pass and the economy will get back to normal, and we'll all be good. Alrighty, guys. Have a good one. Kisu tabur. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and help out our channel. Thank you.